What's up guys? Today I'm finally going to be putting on my Subcage. It's been a long time. I just got it in. I've been kind of on a waiting list. Yesterday I actually did a second gear wheelie for the first couple times and looped it again. So that's the second loop on this bike without a Subcage. So try to be smarter than what I have done and actually buy the Subcage first. One thing that did happen, right now the video is starting, but I've actually been working in the shop for maybe 30 minutes. There was a piece of slag inside of the Subcage and it was rattling like crazy. So I've actually had to drill, if Justin can show that, I've had to drill a super big hole to get that piece of slag out so it wouldn't make all that racket. That was really irritating, especially in a brand new Subcage. I contacted the guy and he said that they must have not heard it, but kind of does suck. But I figured I'd just plug that. But anyways, enough about that. Hopefully that doesn't happen again, but we're going to throw this on. It's going to be fine. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these two Allen bolts that are sticking through the sides. Basically the bottom mount goes into this, so we're just going to take out this bolt for right now. Now since we took out those two bolts, now we're just going to kind of line everything up. These go in those spots on the outside and just kind of try to line it up and get it right and bolt her on up. And then the 4 bolts go on the top right there. So if you could see where that goes. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, which is a little bit difficult. Also, when you're tightening everything up, probably wouldn't hurt anything just to put some Loctite on there. I'm personally not, because I want to be able to take it on and off a little bit easier. But if you're planning on keeping it on, you definitely want some Loctite so the bolts don't vibrate loose. You put your foot on the back and then you fly off. Whenever you do this, you're going to lose your license plate most likely. So TST sells a bracket. I was just trying to think of how to get it to work with a license plate and everything. Justin had it on his, so it goes right there. I stole it. I'm gonna put it on mine just to show you guys, but I'm gonna order my own. But you can literally put it right there, and it is a perfect fit. Couldn't be better. And then your license plate will go right there. This is the best thing I can tell you guys, just to contact TST and get one of these. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you guys what it looks like. And there it is. There's what it looks like. I really like this license plate mount. It's really simple, really easy, and it barely fits in there, which is perfect. I might trim down the license plate or something like that. But anyways, that's perfect. And the reason I pretty much got this one, I never really said, just because I was so kind of frustrated at the beginning, was the fact that it comes with the grip tape on it. It has a piece right here. It has some nice ones on the side. It has some Delrin on the sides. So that way if you fall, it just messes up that, and that can be replaceable. You do have the back protection as well. And honestly, I just like the looks out of it. I like the fact that it's not too big, it's not too small, and it just looks right on the bike. So those are kind of the reasons I got it, but I highly recommend it. You know, I haven't heard anybody else having the issues that I was having with like the what is it, Justin? The slag. So, you know, I haven't heard anybody else having that problem, but it did happen to me. So that's pretty much it. I've got to change over my taillight now because I should have waited, and I got to fix my seat. Just get the Subcage first. Take it easy, guys.